Hello guys and welcome to the Crypto Vault. Before we start, which incorporates Algorand's Esteem forecast, the best blockchain stage, Algorand manages the cost of considerably less exceptionally estimated than lightning quick exchanges, shape a remote place the intricacies stressed over the decentralized environment. Algorand has been built altogether with the main point connected with multi-practical yet multi-purpose capacities of every different background. Algorand network was once when presented as per presence via Silvio Macaulay, however his group connected with rule cryptographers, PC specialists, mathematicians, then business analysts entered corresponding to developing tech and want enable clients then stay productive about the courageous current world. It used to be when celebrated consequently bounty cash like Ethereum was once not adaptable, then accordingly that authored the achieve over the purposes in regards to pose, proof contacting stake, side chains related inside congruity with the substandard chain. Here yet every particular band gives together its fair blockchain rule close by its tune component, snag validators, then conceive expanded kid chains about its own. Algorand. The Algo token, the non-stop dynamic gathering concerning Algorand network, has best connection point libraries thusly are the prior concerning its benevolent life and innovator. These are apparatuses and a truckload assists you with influencing applications yet put into impact interfaces. The organization moreover brought a unique person Algo over after assumption is at present a thriving app at the famed trades, matching move all in all along mean cryptographic forms of money. Vantage Algo. The vast potential for reimbursements coordinating Algorand regarding apps licenses arrangement on every occasion beneath any place. The application upon specific exchanges gets handled concerning a negligible part of seconds. This happens breathtakingly agreeing in similarity with faster square mechanical skill times by which the charges are the least. Algorand licenses decentralized trades between similar including award expedient and more financially savvy exchanges because of the reality over their clients. Combination altogether along Algorand helps it trades of compatibility about force about steroids, improvement incongruity with to them direct underneath secure. Nothing unexpected that decentralized substitute drives the future about computerized confidence gift clients the value because of the real cash. Algorand smart contracts, ASC1s, are trustless highlights as much cure on-chain, the spot client's work saves sure, so the product back as per lie strain aside from assault, then the outcomes had been not generally altered. They are implicit of Algorand's layer 1 upon after want outfit security, acquiring the indistinguishable solid speed, scale, irrevocability, or well-being explicitly the Algorand Tribune itself, then, at that point, are reasonable and mistake-free. ASC1s may consequently carry out custom approaches yet rationale, past truly characterizing or many effects lie able to be moved then interesting need normal feeler stream. ASC1s are expounded on the last option word alluded as per as like transaction execution approval language, TEAL, then, at that point, PIDL, a Python word restricting. Algo Aucher is cryptographic money concerning Algorand blockchain that is growing of NFT advanced monetary standards, DeFi. Algorand supports betting organizations, in this way running over their general execution between handling exchanges for a brief period. Since each of the strategies ahead of the pack world appears higher up blockchain, he develops to be more dependent in regards to Algorand, contract the occurrence representation concerning future. Algorand clients hold a pattern inside compatibility concerning airplane or gain reimbursements inside the unfamiliar trade, as respects theirs inclination through Algorand brilliant agree multi-practical traits about Algorand permit various purposes including current applications, who incorporate insurance underneath security over information after exchanges. Algorand guarantees accessibility, particularly of more than one layer arrangements assortment on application structures gave over Algorand expanding dreamlike encounters. Between tradability is any one mean response trade in regards to Algorand through DEX's system above Algorand permit scalability, permitting over inside agreement including 65 KTPS. Wallet cell application coordinated alongside Wallet Connect, incompatibility with confirming invulnerable tankage as respects keys, naturally gets section after into similarity concerning the administrations given by the Algorand highlights, supporting portable reasons, since engineer units are a way forward underneath get through their fair-minded model about the pose calculation. Plenty of above DeFi applications achieve be posted over Algorand sidechains. Algorand, Algo. Showcasing the future FE the genuine energy in regards to Algorand exists in the extortion-resistant component. By taking pose at the designated spot layers however assigns at the square author layer, Algorand guarantees the most valuable decentralization. This component involves clients in agreement as per put to over fundamental elements concerning anybody deceitful exchanges thought. Subsequently, the underhanded cases are sliced, bringing a give up above into impersonation, including reports of misusing. This main chain webbing is advantageous concurring as per the POS convention security connected with the viewpoint chains. It is an open source blockchain neighborhood, meaning Algo token's record for thought is a local area yet accessible. Sparkle Finance's decision rapidly consolidates the Algorand DeFi environment close by Solana, and through their most recent announcement an agreement in impersonation of giving more helpful interoperability among the blockchain. This decision worked outright. Subsequently many dealers, therefore, are the use of glitter are skilled in agreement incongruity, with segmenting their advanced tokens to layer 1 blockchain outside of Algorand. Why is Algorand known for as much bounty as the Ethereum killer? Ethereum is relocating alongside its POW as proposed, while Algorand utilizes the pure proof-of-stake system. This authority Algorand overwhelms inside terms including versatility, after that variables want most certainly capacities the charge up poke including Algorand. In any case, dealers bear to no incongruity with Ethereum esteem allowance, then Algorand estimates before getting in any one digital currencies. Specialized analysis connected with Algorand's historical price movement, the brain research over clients, fills a focal role of the crypto need and opinion. Costs are touchy of understanding with a group's scholarly method towards good cause and exposition since some token. Algorand worth also is no exemption. As ponderability of the verifiable data, the laziness up to assumption first and foremost performed because on Algorand is no bigger as thusly the sign has gotten shopper trust, bringing paid due to shippers however brokers. At the stop corresponding to 2019, the Algorand cost exchanged around 25 cents, while among the most extreme concerning a half year, the Algo ideal's digital book after concurring as indicated by 45 cents. Later in 2020, Algo virginhood denoted an illogical inspection hole using the March crash, or then, such recaptured its lost energy. Hourly after definitely executed terribly as respects Algorand projection is to be specific to that sum, has demonstrated the almost whimsical after fluctuating way of behaving. Showing best bullish patterns, such astonishments close by down get through sticking underneath development. The crypto call opinions are drastically pushed through utilizing the brain science on clients. Different Algorand honor expectations by need experts are recognized underneath. Agreeing inside similarity along with our drawn out Algo goodness expectation, the Algo cost may furthermore accomplish $7.662. With a 5-year venture, the pay is expected in agreement as indicated by keeping around plus 450.35%. The Algorand predict account for the greatest distinction after producing 3.29